Friends, today I will put in front of you one of the best business opportunity to earn extra income in one of the leading MLM company, that is Kiva Industries. Kiva Industries is one of the most trusted brand in healthcare and FMCG sector in India. Kiva Industries started in April 2010 by following the direct selling guidelines as per Government of India. Dr. Karan Goel, BSc, BMS, MD, Naturopathy is the CEO of Kiva Industries, who has been recognized and awarded by Bharatiya Udyog Ratna Award. It has its head office in Ludhiana, Punjab, branch office in Bangalore, and regional office in Delhi. So, what is the vision of Kiva Industries? To make the benefit of all its products reach every customer through a well defined distribution channel, and to let the distributing leaders succeed ahead in business development by awarding promotional plans. So, what is Kiva? About Kiva. Kiva is an Indian company which has 1000 plus workers in factory and more than 4,50,000 square feet area its manufacturing unit. It has 2000 plus crore assets and 500 plus products with various categories. Kiva has backed with more than 20 awards and certificates like Halal, Kosher, USFDA, IDSA membership, and more and more. Kiva has a product liability insurance of 15 crore rupees. So, why we should do Kiva business? What is the benefit of doing Kiva? Firstly, 500 plus world-class products with various categories like Kiva wellness products, Kiva herbal products, Kiva home care products, Kiva personal care products, Kiva food products, Kiva beauty products, Kiva agriculture products, Kiva veterinary products, Kiva energy products, and Kiva electronic products. Secondly, buy one get one product 100% free lifetime. Thirdly, we have online shopping facility. Fourthly, the income. 13 types of income. There is none of the company in direct selling business which gives or pays you weekly income, monthly income, yearly income. Weekly income, that is unlimited. No capping on the weekly income, pair income. Give a 100% total distribution of business points, that is BP. Whatever the business volume created by a distributor is distributed among the distributors 100%. We have two types of income plan, that is binary plan, pair income, repurchase plan, BP income. Both the plans or income work in a single ID. No need to do a separate. If you do a single one, both the incomes you will qualify. We get binary income weekly on every Thursday of the week and repurchase income monthly as per BP accumulation. So what are the 13 types of income that we get? The pair income, as I told you previously, retail profit, that is 100%, as you get buy one get one free products. Team performance bonus, that is accumulation 5 to 38%. Royalty club income 8%. Loyalty club income 5%. Star club income 4%. Foreign tour club income 2%. Car club income 2% to buy our own dream car. House club income to buy our own dream house 2%. And director club income 18%. So once you qualify as a director, you will get this 18% of the income. Director team incentive 6%. President club income 8%. Chairman club income 7%. Total 100% distribution from 38 to 7%. 100% income is distributed among the distributors. In our next video, we will see how the income plan works in Kiva. Thank you.